Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker hamburger rice casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's hot. And I have about a pound of ground beef that I have browned up. So that I'm going to add in a half of a large onion. And I'm going to allow that saute together for a few minutes till the onion softens up and the ground beef finishes browning. Alright, now that my ground beef is sauteed for a little while and my onions are tender, I'm going to add in about 2 healthy teaspoons of garlic. This is a pre-diced. If you use fresh, use about 3 cloves. I'm going to stir that around for a minute just to heat that garlic up and start to get it fragrant. Alright, now I have 2 cups of white rice. This is just raw rice. I rinsed it and drained it till the water came out clear. That's important in a pressure cooker so you don't get foaming up. I'm going to go ahead and get that down into the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of beef broth, 1 can of French onion soup, and this here is a 10.5 ounce can. I'm going to give that a stir. I'm going to put a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic in there. If you don't have that, just a little salt and pepper. I'm going to go for about a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to give that a stir. Get that rice off of there. Right, I'm going to put my lid on. Make sure we're set in a sealed position. Alright, I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. And I'm going to cut my time down to 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes are up, I'm going to let it do a natural release of the pressure for 10 minutes. And then we'll release the rest of the pressure manually. Alright, this is done. I'll have to do that 10-minute natural release of pressure. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and garnished this with a little fresh parsley for some added color. Let me get in here and try this. I'm going to start with some of this ground beef. Beef's tender, moist, really good. Try some of this rice. Rice is beefy, tender, not overcooked, not undercooked. Guys, that's really delicious and was really easy. Pressure cooker hamburger rice casserole. Thanks for watching and support me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.